The All-Stars are where it's at. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Grace, and today I'm bringing you guys along a staycation at Disney's brand new All-Star Movies Resort. The All-Star Movies is not a new resort, but they just reopened after over a year of closure, and they redid their rooms. So my friend Hannah and I booked a last-minute staycation to come check out the resort and enjoy its fresh and clean new rooms, which I'm about to give you a tour of. If you guys remember from my last staycation video, I am an Orlando local, so I love coming to the resorts for 1 or 2 nights to have what I call a staycation, which is just coming and soaking in all that they have to offer. I just came back from a full day in Magic Kingdom, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour like I said. And I'm not exactly sure what we're doing tonight, but at some point in this video you guys will get a resort tour and we're just gonna check it all out. I don't know, I'm really excited. I haven't stayed at this resort in years. My friend Hannah, who's here with me, has never stayed at the resort, so I'm really curious to see what she thinks of it all. We're gonna have some Mickey waffles. It's just gonna be a good time. We're only here for 1 night. We are definitely gonna make the most of it. So here is a room tour. This is what the room looks like when you first walk in. It's a pretty decent size. I always remember these resorts being so small when we used to come here. You've got a mini fridge and a nice little shelf, a coffee maker. You've got a nice place to put clothes or whatever you want to do. I talked about this when I stayed at Coronado as well, but there's so much bar space, which I love for being able to spread out. We've got the TV. We have the queen bed that's out, and then this is something that they've started to do. They did this in Pop Century, and now they're doing it here as well, which this is a Murphy bed. So thank you, Hannah. It pulls out, and look at that backboard. When we pull it out tonight, I'll definitely show you guys more of what that looks like. But I love it because if you're here by yourself or you're here with your significant other, you may only want 1 bed. And so if so, there is a nice little table. You don't just have 2 beds. And look at all this floor space. There is just so much. We'll head into the bathroom, which I don't know if you used to come to the All-Star resorts, but the bathrooms were so crusty. They were nasty all the time. This resort bathroom is gorgeous. You have a little closet space. You've got all this light. I mean, this lighting is so stinking good. I can't believe it. And look, beautiful, crisp. We very well could be the first people staying in this room in this resort since it's been reopened, because they only reopened like 2 days ago. So that would be really, really cool. I think we're just gonna say we are for the purposes of the video, that we're the first ones to stay here. We're gonna pretend that. Anyway, again, so much storage space for you to spread out throughout your trip. And then in here, you've got the bathroom, this gorgeous shower. I don't know if y'all remember, the All-Star showers were so crusty. Look at this gorgeous thing. And then, as always, our beautiful H2O products, which we love to see. And on the TV, I can't believe we haven't started playing it yet. What the heck? It's time. The beautiful resort TV. Literally, I could just keep this playing the whole trip and I would be so happy. This station was not on when we stayed at Coronado, and I remember missing it. I was like, dang, like I miss having that nice little resort TV on. But anyway, we're gonna get settled in and I will see you guys in a little bit. So it may be like 7 o'clock, but we still have a little bit of sunlight left. So we are gonna go sit by the pool. It's heated apparently too. I just read that online. So may dip our toes in, may just enjoy the Fantasia atmosphere out there. Either way, we're excited. Out here at the Fantasia Pool, watching the sunset among the palm trees, wearing mouse ears by the pool because why the heck not? It's literally gonna be dark outside in about 15 minutes. We had a little photo shoot though. We're wearing swimsuits, although again, we're getting 0 sun rays. It's the vibes. The vibes at the All-Star are just, they're so good. So good. We're leaving the Fantasia Pool. The vibes were high.
So good.
We loved every minute of it, but the mosquitoes did start to come out a little bit. So we're headed into the main building to go check out what's in there. We did not have to check in through the lobby, so we actually have not been in that area. That's the really cool thing right now, is you can do all of your check-in from your phone. Your room key is on your phone. Everything is on your phone. But we're gonna go see what's inside. Oh wait, there's a pool bar. This is cute, little Hall of Fame. There's the food court. So that is the lobby space. This is, oh my gosh, it's called Donald's Double Feature. How cute. Here's a little store. My goodness, how cute is that? It's so well themed. Little will call for your little package pickup if you buy something in the parks. So this is their all-star specific merch. They have little shot glasses, magnets, pins, keychain, ornament. That's really cute. A mug. You guys know I love my mugs. Wait, that's really cute actually. That's cute. That's cute. This is the little area where you pick up your food. Wait, this is so cute. So we just got back from the little area, got some drinks. I got a Diet Coke and I had to put my fun little Mickey glove straw topper on there. Having some Rice Krispies that we picked up from the confectionery. I was telling Hannah, I was like, I think I'm absolutely romanticizing staying at the All-Star Movies. I will absolutely romanticize my stay here at the All-Star Movies. I feel like resorts are what you make of them. If you stay in a value resort and you're like, ugh, it's just a value resort, then you're not gonna have a good time. But if you stay at a value resort and you're like, I'm staying at a Disney resort, then you're gonna have an amazing time. So we are headed to one of my favorite restaurants on Disney property, Chicken Guy, to grab some dinner. We looked at the dinner menu for the All-Star here, and they had like chicken tenders and typical theme park resort food, but Chicken Guy is just so good, and it's in Springs, which is right down the road, so we're gonna go grab some Chicken Guy and have the best time. Got our Chicken Guy, got my tenders and my fries, and my favorite two sauces, Nashville hot honey and garlic parmesan. So yummy, I love it. What are your sauces, Hannah?
I got donkey and garlic parmesan.
Just got back from our little dinner adventure to Chicken Guy. It was so yummy as always. We just got back to the room. We are going to shower, get cozied up for bed, and watch Mickey cartoons all night long. So if I don't see you guys tonight, I'll see you guys first thing in the morning. We are headed to the, what was the place called? We are headed to the world premiere food court to get our Mickey Waffles. It's not that early, but it feels early. I'm so excited. This is the best part of us staying on Disney property, is getting to have Mickey Waffles. And we're gonna get our Mickey Waffles, take them back to the room, watch more Mickey cartoons while we eat those waffles. And I don't know if I've ever had Mickey Waffles from the All-Star, so we'll have to see if they're any different than every other set of Mickey Waffles. I doubt it, but you never know. So I just picked up my Mickey Waffles. I'm waiting for Hannah to get hers, and we're gonna go back to the room. But something I've noticed is different from this time is you don't have to mobile order. It is an option, but you do not have to. They do have registers open here if you perhaps don't have the My Disney Experience app, or your app is glitching, or you just feel more comfortable ordering with cash or not on the app. They do have registers open here. When Wesley and I stayed at Pop a few months, gosh, I guess it was like 6 months ago, mobile ordering was the only way you could get food, you could get anything. And so this was definitely a nice surprise, just because I know not everyone is super comfortable mobile ordering, but it's definitely way more efficient. So mobile order if you can, but you don't have to. Okay, also the details in this chair, it's a freaking movie reel. It's film. What the heck? Disney, you kill it every time. Got those Mickey waffles. Okay, so it came with bacon here and syrup, but I got extra syrup. And then this was an extra thing of bacon. And this was also an extra thing of bacon. So if you get the Mickey waffles with bacon, be prepared. You're gonna have a lot of bacon. It's definitely enough to share. But now we get to eat our Mickey waffles while we gotta put on our Mickey cartoons.
Yes.
Now we have our Mickey cartoons. We love a morning at a Disney resort. We are about to check out of our room. I'm gonna take Hannah to the airport and then I'm gonna show you guys a tour of property because this resort is actually so cool and so great in theming, and so I don't want to miss getting to show you guys that. But unfortunately our time in our sweet room at the All-Star Movies is coming to a close, which this has just been the sweetest time here. The All-Star resorts used to get such a hating on, but y'all, the All-Stars are where it's at. It was so much fun. The rooms were nice. Don't sleep on the All-Stars, and I'll show you guys the rest of the resort in just a bit. Hannah, you good, sis?
I'm struggling. This is why I can't do carry-on anywhere, because I just end up buying stuff when I get here, and it is a struggle.
Oh my goodness.
Don't ever do carry-on to Disney, especially if you pack like me.
I just dropped Hannah at the airport, but I had to come back to show you guys all of the cool sections at this resort. We stayed in the Fantasia section, the Fantasia part, but they have a Toy Story part, a Herbie the Love Bug, and then 101 Dalmatians. So I'm standing in Toy Story right now. We'll start there and just work our way around the resort, and I can't wait to show you guys. Just left the Toy Story area, directly next to the main building. They have something called the Real Spot, and certain nights they share movies. It's really, really cool and an awesome thing you can do while you're staying here. Okay, yeah, it's called Movie Under the Stars. They have a certain show time, and then the films that they're showing each night. That's awesome. So across from the main building where there's the lobby and the food court and stuff is the pool, which we visited yesterday, the beautiful Fantasia Pool. So we're about to go into the 101 Dalmatians area, but apparently there's a whole other section that I wasn't aware of. It's the Mighty Ducks area with the hockey, and there's a whole nother pool over there. So glad I came back to check it all out because I had no idea. That pool looked so dang chill. If I was here for longer, I definitely would have gone and swam over there too. Now we're headed to see the Fantasia section and then Herbie. We stayed in Fantasia last night, and so we had, but like our room was really close to the Herbie section, so we kind of got a glimpse of it. But I think there's something special about the Herbie car that they have here, that it was used in filming of some sort. I don't know exactly, but we're about to go find out. we had to pass him to walk to our room, and I was like, that guy just does not look super joyful. We're just gonna turn away, keep vlogging. But the rest of this area was so cool. The toy soldiers, the wooden blocks, and of course the Sorcerer Mickey hat. What the heck, you can go stand under it. I took some really fun pics under there. It's awesome. Okay, so that's what it is. It turns out that this car was actually used in the Magic Kingdom parade. How cool is that? You can see him right here at the All-Star Movies. I'm so glad that I came back to grab those clips and to show you guys the rest of the resort. Now I'm headed home all the way down the street, and I will end the vlog when I get there and tell you guys my full recap of our stay here. Hi friends, it's a little bit later. The sun's setting. I'm showing you the sunset. It is gorgeous. Simply another reason why I love living in Orlando. Oh my gosh, we get those gorgeous sunsets. Anyways, I had so much fun staying at the All-Star Movies. I'm so glad that the last minute trip ended up working out. I was so impressed by the room renovations and just how cool that resort is. I feel like the All-Stars were so crusty dusty before that they got slept on a lot, and if you've been thinking about taking a Disney trip in the near future and you want to definitely be on the more budget friendly side, you are not going to be missing out when you stay at the All-Stars now. I mean, it was kind of like staying at Pop Century, just minus the Skyliner. I had so much fun. I didn't have super high expectations going into it, so it was just such a magical little last minute staycation. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so, and let's be friends with you on my other socials as well. I'm the Sunny SG on Instagram and on TikTok, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and then let me know in the comments if you've stayed at the All-Stars or if that's something you'd consider doing, or let me know your favorite Disney resort. Either way, I'd love to chat with you guys down there. I hope you guys have a sunshiny day, and I'll see y'all in my next video.